Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the best in beauty and skincare, bringing you expert insights and top-tier product reviews. Today, we're diving into something that's truly groundbreaking. We're counting down the top 5 best LED light therapy face masks, the perfect blend of technology and skincare, designed to transform your routine and elevate your skin's health. Now, imagine unlocking smoother, younger, and clearer skin with the power of light. Sounds amazing, right? Well, stick with me as we break down the very best LED masks out there. Whether you're chasing a youthful glow, tackling stubborn acne, or just looking for a skincare boost, this countdown is sure to reveal your next must-have product. Let's not waste any time, let's get into it. The best of the best is coming right up. Coming in at number 5 in our countdown of the top 5 best LED light therapy face masks, we have the Shark CryoGlow LED Face Mask. This mask is truly a game changer, offering cutting-edge technology designed to tackle a variety of skin concerns. What if you could improve your skin's appearance in just minutes a day? With the Shark CryoGlow, you can do just that. This mask delivers a powerful combination of red, blue, and infrared LED light therapy, along with innovative Insta-Chill cold technology. In just 6 minutes, the red and infrared LEDs target fine lines and sagging skin, offering a visibly firmer complexion. And with the added benefit of a clinical study backing up its effectiveness, it's easy to see why this mask is making waves in the beauty world. But it doesn't stop there. If you're struggling with acne or redness, the skin clearing treatment mode is your new best friend. The 8-minute blue, red, and infrared LED session helps reduce breakouts and calm redness, giving you a more even, clear complexion. The results are real, backed by clinical trials showing visible improvements after just a few weeks of daily use. Not only does it address specific concerns, but it also enhances your overall skin health. The Skin Sustain Treatment mode helps maintain your glow with just 4 minutes of LED therapy designed to keep your skin in top condition. And for those of us dealing with tired, puffy eyes, the Under Eye Revive treatment mode is a total game changer. Featuring adjustable 5 to 15 minute sessions with cooling technology, it targets under eye puffiness and visible tightening, giving you a refreshed, youthful look after just one use. It's no wonder the Shark CryoGlow LED face mask is one of the top contenders in the top 5 best LED light therapy face masks. Whether you're aiming to tackle fine lines, acne, or puffiness, this mask has the technology to help. And with its eligibility for FSA and HSA benefits, you can enjoy top-tier skincare without the guilt. If you want to experience the benefits of this mask for yourself, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on amazing products like this one. At number 4 in our top 5 best LED light therapy face masks countdown, we have the MZ Skin Lightmax Minipro Eyeconic LED patches. If you're struggling with tired, puffy eyes or visible under eye lines, these patches could be your new best friend. What if you could restore your youthful glow and reduce fine lines around your eyes in just 15 minutes a day? The MZ Skin Lightmax Minipro is specifically designed to target the delicate skin under your eyes, helping to stimulate collagen production. This process helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fatigue, so you can look and feel more refreshed. Backed by cutting-edge LED technology, these patches harness the power of light therapy to treat those stubborn under-eye concerns, helping to smooth and brighten the skin. Whether you're dealing with puffiness, dark circles, or fine lines, these patches deliver visible results with minimal effort. Clinical studies have shown that regular use of LED therapy can promote collagen production, giving your skin the support it needs to look firmer and more youthful. The result? A smoother, brighter under-eye area that feels rejuvenated, all without any harsh chemicals or invasive treatments. This product isn't just another skincare gadget, it's a skincare solution. In only a short time each day, you'll notice a significant difference in how your skin looks and feels. If you want to try it for yourself and discover why it ranks so high in our top 5 best LED light therapy face masks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You'll want to stay in the loop for more expert tips and product reviews. Coming in at number 3 in our top 5 best LED light therapy face masks countdown, we have the HNC Omnilux Clear. If acne, blemishes, and clogged pores are giving you trouble, you may have just found your new skincare solution. What if I told you that you could clear your skin and restore its natural radiance without relying on harsh chemicals or invasive treatments? The Omnilux Clear LED mask is designed specifically to combat acne and help balance your skin tone using the power of light therapy. It targets the underlying causes of acne, working to reduce inflammation and accelerate healing from the inside out. This mask isn't just for the occasional breakout. Its innovative design treats your skin at a deeper level, targeting not just surface blemishes but also the root causes of acne. The result? Clearer, smoother, and healthier skin over time. With its all skin tone friendly design, it provides an easy at-home solution for those looking to maintain a clear complexion without spending hours at the dermatologist. Regular use of the Omnilux Clear can help you reduce acne flare-ups, giving you the confidence to face the world with clearer, brighter skin. Are you ready to take the next step in your skincare journey? If you love what you've learned about the Omnilux Clear, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more expert skincare tips and top product recommendations. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best LED light therapy face masks? Well, don't leave your skin in the dark. Give that like button some love, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the glow up. Coming in at number 2 on our top 5 best LED light therapy face masks countdown, we have the CurrentBody Skin LED Light Therapy Mask, Series 2. This mask is a game changer in the world of skincare. What if you could reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and redness while boosting collagen production, all from the comfort of your own home? This isn't just another LED mask. The CurrentBody Skin Series 2 is packed with cutting-edge technology that addresses multiple signs of aging. With its upgraded light coverage and clinically recognized wavelengths, red, near-infrared, and deep near-infrared, this mask stimulates your skin in ways that truly make a difference. You're not just getting temporary results, you're boosting your skin's ability to regenerate and renew for long-term improvement. The Series 2 mask features a revamped flexible liquid silicone design tested on thousands of faces to ensure maximum comfort and perfect fit. Whether you're sitting at home or on the go, it's designed to adapt to any setting. Plus, it's not just about looks. The mask comes with a unique Veritas NFC card, so you can track how your specific mask is delivering results for your skin. Say goodbye to dull, tired skin and hello to a healthier, brighter, and smoother complexion. If you want results you can see and feel, this is the mask that will take your skincare routine to the next level. Want more skincare tips and product recommendations? If you love what you learned about the CurrentBody Skin LED Light Therapy Mask, Series 2, subscribe to stay updated. You won't want to miss our next big reveal. At number 1 on our top 5 best LED light therapy face mask countdown, we have the Dr. Dennis Gross DRX SpectraLite FaceWare Pro. Imagine a treatment that tackles both aging and acne, all while rejuvenating your skin in just minutes a day. This mask offers the perfect solution with its powerful dual red and blue light therapy. What if you could diminish wrinkles, smooth out fine lines, and clear acne all at the same time? With 100 red LED lights and 62 blue LED lights, this mask delivers clinically proven results. The red light boosts collagen production, improving skin firmness and reducing signs of aging. Meanwhile, the blue light targets acne, calming inflammation and preventing future breakouts. But that's not all. The Dr. Dennis Gross FaceWare Pro helps even out skin tone and texture, reduces discoloration from sun and age spots, and brings a glow to your complexion. It's like a professional treatment you can use in the comfort of your own home. With 3 treatment settings, red, blue, and a combination of both, it's tailored to your skin's needs, whether you're focused on anti-aging or acne treatment. Ease of use is another highlight. Simply cleanse your face, secure the mask in place, select your treatment mode, and let the mask work its magic for 3 minutes. It's that simple. The Dr. Dennis Gross FaceWare Pro has been designed with a comfortable fit, making it easy to use at home or on the go. If you're looking for a powerful, 2-in-1 skincare solution that helps reduce the signs of aging and keeps acne at bay, this is the mask you've been waiting for. Don't wait. Transform your skincare routine with the best LED light therapy mask on the market today. And if you liked learning about this incredible product, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming reviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best LED light therapy face masks. To stay updated on all the top sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.